Hello everyone, let's start with our question number 43. A solid sphere is rotating freely about its metric axis in free space. The radius of the sphere is increased keeping its mass same. Which of the following physical quantities would remain constant for the sphere? Okay, we have first option angular velocity, second rotational kinetic energy, third moment of inertia, and fourth angular momentum. Angular momentum will be remains constant, same. Let's discuss how. In free space, no external torque is acting on it. If mass is constant and radius is increased, then moment of inactive rotation kinetic energy, angular velocity will change. But according to law of conservation of momentum, angular momentum will be not change. And due to law of conservation of momentum, it angular momentum will remain constant. So the option D will be correct, and rest over there are wrong.